Hi friend, welcome to my garden. It's so colorful here. Do you want to find colors with me? Let's go. Color 1, red. Look. The color red. Red is for a sweet strawberry. And red is for a big fire truck. Can you say red? Color 2, blue. Now look up. The color blue. Blue is for the big, beautiful sky. And blue is for the splashing ocean. Can you say blue? Color 3, yellow, brighter and brighter. The color yellow. Yellow is for the happy sun. And yellow is for a yellow banana. Can you say yellow? Color 4, green. Look at the grass. The color green. Green is for the leaves on a tree. And green is for a hopping frog. Can you say green? Color 5, orange. One more. The color orange. Orange is for a round orange fruit. And orange is for a friendly tiger. Can you say orange? The parental nudge. Parents, color sorting is a great brain exercise. Try asking your child to find one blue toy or one red shirt while cleaning up today. It turns chores into a learning game.
Hey everyone, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.